Ito po yung visual model natin or operational model ng quantitative data collection including survey questionnaire, quantitative data analysis, SPSS software, frequencies and percentages, Pearson correlation, result, numeric data, descriptive statistics, regression coefficient, t-value, R2, adjusted R2, f-value, correlation coefficient. Purposely select interview participants. 12 naman ang nandito sa number ng develop open-ended questions interview protocol. Doon naman tayo sa phase 2 kasi nga ang research designs po natin dalawa, di ba? Nasa quali saka sa quant, audio recorder, qualitative data analysis, transcription, emic to etic, transcription, coding, identifying themes, analyzing themes, qualitative result, RoboPhoto, audio data, text data, emergent themes. Integrate quantitative and qualitative result, interpretation and explanation of the quantitative and qualitative result, discussion, conclusions, implementations, recommendations, and future research.